Good morning children. Today we are going to learn some very important topics of atomic structure chapter, that is isotopes, isobars, isotones and isoelectric species. So let's start the topic. First topic we will discuss about is isotopes. Isotopes are elements with the same atomic number but different atomic mass. That means their mass numbers are different but they have the same atomic number. Example: hydrogen, deuterium and tritium are the three isotopes of hydrogen. Before we understand the examples of isotopes, let's see how atomic number and atomic masses are shown in any element. Let's take any element X. Here X is the symbol of any element. A stands for the mass number and Z stands for atomic number. Mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus, whereas atomic number is the number of protons present inside the nucleus. For example, if we take carbon, we can write 6C12. Here 6, that is the atomic number, is the number of protons in carbon atom. The atomic mass of carbon is 12, which shows that it has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. We will take a few examples of isotopes. First is hydrogen. There are 3 isotopes of hydrogen: 1H1, that is protium, 1S2 deuterium and 1S3 tritium. Here we can see the number of protons is 1 in all 3 isotopes, whereas the mass number is different. In protium it is 1, deuterium it is 2 and in tritium it is 3. So due to different mass numbers, they are the 3 isotopes. Due to the same atomic number and different atomic masses, they are called the isotopes. We will take some few more examples. 6C12 and 6C14, these are the 2 isotopes of carbon, whereas 17Cl35 and 17Cl37, they are the isotopes of chlorine. Let's move to the second topic, that is isobar. Isobars are those elements that have a different atomic number but the same mass number. Here the mass number is same in all elements but atomic number are different. Since the atomic numbers are different, that means they are different elements. For example, 18Ar40, 19K40 and 20Ca40. These are the isobars. Here we can see atomic masses, that is 40, is common in all 3 elements, but the number of proton is 18 in argon, 19 in potassium and 20 in calcium. Due to the different atomic number, they are the different elements. Next example of isobar is 15P32 and 16S32. Here mass number 32 is common in both the elements. Next example is 26Fe58 and 28Ni58. Here also 58, that is the mass number of both Fe and nickel. One more example, 32Ce76 and 34Se76. Our next topic is isotones. So what are isotones? Any of 2 or more species of atoms that have the same number of neutrons. That means if the neutron are same or the number of neutrons are same, they are the isotone of each other. We will take some example. 17Cl37 and 19K39. Here the number of proton in chlorine is 17 and number of proton in potassium is 19, but the number of neutron is 20 in chlorine and also 20 in potassium. So they are the isotones. Let's see one more example. 6C13 and 7N14. Here in carbon number of proton is 6, whereas in nitrogen it is 7. But in this example of carbon, the number of neutron is 7. Likewise, the number of neutron in nitrogen also is 7. That is why they are the isotones. One more example, 4Be9 and 5B10. 4Be9 and 5B10. As we can see, the number of neutron is same in these cases. That is why they are the isotones. So, let's discuss the next topic, that is the isoelectronic species or isoelectric species. So, what are isoelectric species? Atoms or ions that have the same number of electrons, they are the isoelectronic species. For example, Li plus and Be2 plus. As we know, the atomic number of lithium is 3. When it loses one electron, it becomes Li plus, and in Li plus the number of electron is 2. In the same way, beryllium atomic number is 4. When it loses 2 electrons, it becomes Be2 plus. Here also the number of electron is 2. Since the number of electron is same in these two atoms, they are the isoelectronic species to each other.